Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to answer questions on Eventbrite. Here's a detailed guide on how to answer attendee questions on Eventbrite, which can be helpful for responding to queries submitted by attendees or potential attendees. The first thing you need to do is to log into Eventbrite. So go to Eventbrite homepage at eventbrite.com and log in with your account credentials. Once logged in the top right corner, click on your profile icon where your email address appears. And you're provided with a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Manage My Events. And this will open a new window with options in the left-hand navigation menu. This is the left-hand navigation menu. Now, in the Manage My Events section, click on Events in the left-hand menu to view a list of all your events. I do not have an event created, so that's why there's pretty much nothing to show. But if you have created events, you'll find all of them organized here. So, click on the event for which you want to manage or respond to attendee questions. Once you click on the event, it will open the event dashboard for that event. In the event dashboard, locate the Manage Attendees section on the left-hand menu and select Attendee Questions or Manage Questions depending on your account and event setup. Once you have clicked on Attendee Questions or Manage Questions, this section will display any questions that attendees have submitted during the registration process or via the event page. Now, browse through the list of questions submitted by attendees. For each question, you may see options to reply or respond next to it. Click on the reply button to open a text box where you can type your response to the question. Type your answer clearly and concisely, then click send or reply to submit your response. Optionally, you can set up automatic FAQ responses. So to reduce repetitive questions, you can set up an FAQ section on the events page. So in the event dashboard, look for the event details section and select FAQ or additional settings to add answers to common questions. This can help answer frequently asked questions automatically. It is a good practice to check the attendee question section regularly for any new queries. By staying responsive, you can provide better support and keep attendees informed about your event details. If attendees reach out with questions directly via email or other contact methods, you can reply using those methods as well. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.